Morning traders, it's 9:26 on the 4th of May 2022. I wasn't able to record before 9 when I placed my orders, so just recapping what I've done. The range is relatively small this morning. It's about 250 odd rand. So I've placed my orders on either side. As you can see, it's pretty much breaking through the bottom as we speak. So it looks like we might be going short, but as you know, anything can happen. As you can see, our stop losses are around about 130, so not a big stop loss this morning. So the risk to reward ratio is quite good. So I'll keep you posted as to what happens this morning. As you can see, yesterday, after we exited our trade, it didn't really do much. So if we had entered another trade, it would not have reached our take profit or our stop loss. So we would have just been teetering around. So good thing we didn't enter another trade, and hopefully this morning can bring some profits. I'll keep you posted. Okay, it's now 1 minute past 12. You can see that we have been triggered into a long position. On this 9 o'clock candle, we almost got triggered into a short position. If you look at the low of this candle, 4174, and our order to go short was at 4173.75. So 25 cents away from getting triggered into a short position. Luckily we didn't, because it all came all the way back up again. But yeah, we've now been triggered into a long position. Let's just have a look and see what time that happened. 11:55. Happened at 11:55. Let's go and look at the 5-minute chart. Yeah, you can see this big green candle broke through our level and triggered a long position. We're currently in 25 odd rand, 20 rand profit. Hopefully it'll continue in our favor. As mentioned earlier, the range is quite small this morning, so it would only have to go 132 rand down to trigger our stop loss, which is a good thing if it continues through that. However, if it bounces off, then it'll be a little bit frustrating. But for now, it's looking quite good. The momentum upwards. I mean, it's only the 3rd minute of the new candle, but it seems to be in a nice upward move for now. So we'll keep you posted and let you know how that goes. Okay, it's just gone 3 o'clock, and I've just opened my platform to see that I've just been stopped out of my long position, unfortunately. Let's have a look at the 5-minute chart to see where exactly it happened. Yeah, you can see it happened 10 minutes ago, just on this spike, but we would have got stopped out anyway if it had continued lower, which it did. So we lost 133 rand. Luckily not a lot because of the small range today. Now I'm going to place an order again to go long above this candle over here, and the high of this candle was 4197, so it'll be placed at 4199. So we just do that and make it accurate, 4199.00. And then, as always, take profit at 500 rand, and the stop loss, I'm going to put it just below the range here, same distance that it would have been to the middle of the range. So hopefully we can get into a winning trade and gain back some of the losses we've made this morning so far. Okay, so a lot has happened since I last recorded a little clip. Let me just show you what happened on the 5-minute chart. We were in a short position, and unfortunately it got stopped out as well. So we entered on this breakout over here, and then soon after it just went all the way up and took us out at our stop loss, and we lost another 133 Rand. So we're sitting at minus 266 Rand at the moment. But I placed another order to go short below this low, and that was triggered over here. And so now we are in a short position again. It's not looking as good as it did a few minutes ago. We were around about 200 Rand up at a point. Now we're sitting at 78 Rand up. Hopefully it's just a small retracement. And what I've decided to do with this trade is keep an eye on it and see if we can gain back our losses. So I'm going to, as soon as this candle closes, a fair distance away from break even, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even and just continue moving my stop loss as it goes along. I've put a take profit down here at these lows, which is quite an ambitious one. It's 1,500 Rand take profit. So we'll see if it gets there. If not, I'll be, like I said, moving my stop loss as it goes. Right at this very moment, it doesn't look like I'm going to get that opportunity, but things change all the time on the charts. So yeah, hopefully this is just a small little retracement up, and then we'll continue downwards. So I'll keep you posted. It's now 6:32. Unfortunately, I've been stopped out for a third time today. As you can see, we got stopped out on this candle over here. It was doing pretty well. We're about 200 Rand up at a point, not enough to put our stop on break even, but yeah, we got stopped out and lost another 162 Rand. So the total loss for today is 429 Rand and 9 cents. I think I'm gonna call it a day for today. 3 losses is quite a lot, so I'm gonna cancel this order. And there's a big announcement coming up at 8 o'clock, which could cause a lot of volatility, and I don't want to be on the wrong side of the volatility, so I'm going to call it a day, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Not a great day, but hopefully tomorrow we'll make some profit back. Cheers.